Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to walk you through how you can create a YouTube banner using an application by the name Snapper. So all you need to do is go to your Chrome and type in Snapper, and this is the tab that is going to open. So once you're there, you're going to be prompted to either sign in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. And then as you scroll down, you'll notice that Snapper has so many templates that you can use to make any of your YouTube or Facebook or whatever social media platform that you want. We have the Facebook look, we have the Twitter post, we have the YouTube thumbnails. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to YouTube banner. It's at the very bottom of the page. And it's going to just click on it and it's going to give you different templates that you can use, or else you can customize your own template. So I'll click on create on Scratch, though you can choose from the free templates provided. I prefer doing it from scratch, that it makes it easier for me to brand my very own YouTube banner. So once it's done loading, you're going to have a clear view of how your banner is going to appear, whether on a TV area or a desktop or on a mobile phone. Be keen to make sure that your whatever it is that you create remains in the space provided, that is blocked in a dull color. So on your on the area space provided, you have effects, you have the text, you have the graphics, and you have the shapes to choose from. But I choose to start with the background. So once you click on the background, you're going to have a choice of either choosing a texture or an image. So for me, I'll just go to the graphics first, choose a graphic for the banner. It's going to be very simple because it's something that I'm just doing for illustration purposes. So under the graphics, I want to have something that is fun. So I'll just type in fun or laugh emojis, and then I'm going to choose from the pictures that are, the graphics that are provided. So I'll choose one that is going to be visible both on the TV area, on the desktop, on the mobile. Something that doesn't have a dull color, something that is going to be more attractive. And then once done choosing whatever it is I want, I'm going to click to apply. And then you can even change, you can either blur the image if you would want to have text, add text. So you can just click on the text icon and then add a heading. Just click and you can as well change the color of the text. You can change the font. You can either underline it. You can have it in italics. Then I also input some texts just to show what the channel is going to be all about. So I choose to go with a very simple name, JFan, and then life is never that too serious, or rather life is never that serious. And then once you're done customizing it to your liking, you're going to be given 3 options for the free version to download your images. So be keen to be very accurate with whatever it is that you want to achieve with Snapper. Otherwise, you'll have to pay for the premium, or rather use another different email for you to be in a position to create icon on Snapper. Go back to your channel customization. Just click on you have the layout, then you have the branding, and you have the basic info. Go to the branding, and then below the picture you're going to see banner image. So you can just click change, and you're gonna be directed to your downloads, and then from there you can just pick the banner that you've downloaded from Snapper, and then it's gonna be uploaded on your banner image. You can as well add in a video watermark, and I'm also going to show you how you can do this through Canva in a different video. So remember to subscribe, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, give this video a like.